Hello YouTube, you join me where I am triangulating this motor frame. I thought I had the camera running, but I thought wrong. Yeah, didn't press record. But these things happen. So basically what we're at here is we're triangulating the frame that this runs in. I was hoping to do this later on down the road, but I wanted to be doing other things, but the weather didn't want to cooperate. Get in there. So we're going to brace this up each side. Just to lock it all together and make it strong. Now I drilled and tapped these already, this spar here. I'm just using nuts here. So it'll be plenty strong when it's all painted and the whole lot. So that's one side done. Now we'll do the other. I made the two of these identical. Yeah, we're still recording. I hate when that happens. So we need a spacer here so as it'll clear this. Very bad today. Nice. Okay, so the front, the two sides done. I might put a piece across this. I reckon that will be plenty strong enough and it won't move any place. And didn't take that long to do. You know, it's in the way of the cable access, but sure, it's easy to take it off. Just open that there and swing it back out of the way. I'll paint all this. This will be all black. All the steel pieces I put on will be black. I'm leaving the aluminium bare. And we'll put on, we'll spray the motor black as well. Satin black, so I'm quite pleased with that now. I think that looks pretty decent. So there you go. So that's another little bit done. And lots more to do. We'll get you in the next one.